So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download the driver? So we have to first come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Okay, then you can see here search button, then paste your model number of motherboard X570S AORUS master, then click to product, click X on this title, then click to support. Now select your operating system, which is Windows 10, 11. Then Realtek, you can see audio Realtek driver. So click here to download icon. Just single click to open, double click to exe, okay, and close it. Chipset, CMD chipset driver, latest one, click to download. Open, double click to exe, then yes, then okay. Now this you can see install and close it. LAN driver, and click to download. I click, just open, double click to exe, now this is installing the driver of and then close it. Then Bluetooth driver, this is Bluetooth, just click to download. It is completed, just double click to open and double click to exe, and then yes. So now this you can see the Bluetooth driver is downloading, sorry, installing. It is completed. Then you can see this is VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So Intel Wi-Fi driver. Here to click the icon, just click download. Wait few seconds, it will complete. Open exe and give to permissions to yes. Now this is installing by cmd command from, and then close it and it is done.